Hi, I'm Paul with KT Industries, here to tell you a little bit about our new leather safety line. We have 20 new items here in this planogram. Have a few gloves, have a few leather jackets and some sleeves. Here we have our premium MIG welding glove. Now, what I like most about this glove is that it has, I'm going to call it a cat plush palm. It's just got some nice padding in there to protect from any additional heat that you might have. But really a nice glove. We do have this in an extra large as well. As you can see, it's the exact same glove. We just have a couple additional sizes now. So the large and the extra large. Our TIG welding glove. Now this particular TIG glove is an extra large. This is actually made of goat skin. You can see it's very thin, so there's some excellent dexterity here. Very soft on the inside. So now we'll move to the glove just below that. This is our premium TIG welding glove. This is a size extra large as well. This is a 4-5032. This particular glove is actually made of lambskin, and when you put this glove on, you can definitely feel it. It's very soft inside. We got just an excellent looking logo on there. This is probably my favorite glove, just because of how soft it is. Just very comfortable inside. It's definitely a fitted glove. 4-5029. This is a MIG welding glove. It could be a MIG or a TIG. This is a size large. This particular glove is made out of cowhide. Some nice leather backing here. It's a somewhat thin glove. Very easy to move your hands inside there. 4-5030. As you can see, same build of glove, just a one size larger. So then we move on to an arc welding glove. This is a glove that we've carried for a long time. This is our economy welding glove. If you're just getting into welding, this is a perfect glove to start with. It's going to have the heat resistance that you need for arc welding. Now just below that, we do carry this glove in an extra large as well. I want to take an opportunity to just show you a few features on the tag here. Our art department, they created a UPC right here on the outside, or right here on the front of the card. Now it does have the full UPC on the back here, along with all the information about the glove, what it's made out of, that it's got Kevlar stitching, heat resistance. But just kind of nice that they have that quick UPC there. So now we'll move to more of an industrial welding glove. A little bit better build in our red glove here. This is a size large, 4-5009. And now this glove, this adds a little bit more of a reinforced palm patch. As it's the industrial. This is a 4-5020. As you can see, it also has the reinforced palm patch. One of our nicest welding gloves. Now just below that we have the 4-5025 in a size extra large. It's the only size we carry in this. But a special feature about this glove is the 16-inch cuff. Just a little bit longer to help shield a little bit more of your arm. This also has the reinforced palm patch. But a very nice glove. So now I want to talk about another arc welding glove. This is the smallest glove in the line. This is a size medium/large. If you have any ladies that are looking for a good fitted welding glove, this is perfect. There's some nice elastic inside here to really hold that glove on nice. I have somewhat rather small hands, and I would say this glove fits me perfect. This would be what I would use if I were welding. Now this is an item that we've had for a little while, but it is made out of flame retardant material, just to help protect your arms from anything that your glove or your jacket would not cover. This is a 4-5205, but yeah, once again, our welder's cloth safety sleeves. Just starting out with our 4-5120. This is just a leather welding jacket. You can see it's made out of cowhide. We got the Kevlar stitching in there. Now this is a size extra large. It's huge on me, but that's all right. There's a lot of big welders out there. We got some great information, not only on the top but on the side. Customers are going to be able to open this box and be able to try the jacket on and actually be able to put it back in the box. So that will be nice from the previous packaging that we had. We have the exact same leather welding jacket made out of cowhide leather. Only difference is this is a double XL and it is that much bigger. We have our leather welding safety sleeves. Kind of excited about this item to have in addition to the flame retardant sleeves. I would say these are just a little bit longer than what we have there. They also have this nice leather strap to really cinch that up around your arm nice and tight so that no sparks can really get in there. But once again, you can see just how long they are for full protection. We have our leather welding apron, Kevlar stitched, made out of cowhide. It is a very flexible item, fully adjustable in the back, with a nice snap in the back. Lots of pockets in this, and then a couple of places to clip on your rod holder on the side. This is a size extra large, and it is the only size we carry. I can tell you that it fit me very well, and that there was definitely room for adjustment for a larger person. Next we have our leather cape and sleeves. This is made out of cowhide as well. This is the jacket that has no back to it for cooling. So there is a snap in the back that snaps together just to help hold that jacket on you, but definitely some great protection here. We have our cloth flame retardant jacket. This has the dielectric snaps in it, made out of completely flame retardant material. It is not a leather product. Lots of nice pockets in this. So I hope you learned a little bit more about our new leather safety line. If you need any other additional information, just go to www.ktindustries.net.